Hi guys, it's me King. Welcome back. So what we're gonna do now is just a short walk around on the progress of my SQ built Toyota Yaris. Hope you like it and please do subscribe, comments below and enjoy the video. So this is just a small updates on my SQ build on this Toyota Yaris. I'm using a Kenwood Dmx8020s and already has CarPlay, Android Auto, which you can use it via cable. I route it all the way down here so I can securely leave my phone here, not dangling around. And I'll put the link below on description on how I flash mount the USB adapter port there. One thing I like with this Kenwood radio is you have heaps of things that you can play with. You press menu, you go into audio system, you can play your crossover, EQ, you also have time alignment, and you also have some sound effects if you need to raise your stage a little bit higher. That will give you a better sound imaging. For the speakers as well, you can choose the size of the speakers. You can even choose the crossover and the slope of the crossover. So this is a budget setup. This is a budget radio, but tons of features to play with. If you can see, let me just try to turn it on. We just use the radio for the meantime. Let's just turn it down. Gonna go to menu. For the speakers, you have for the front, for the mid, for the rear, for the subwoofer, and you can see the sizes. You can change the sizes and the location of the speakers and the size of the tweeters. If you press the crossover, it will give you front crossover control, rear crossover control, subwoofers crossover control with the gains and slope adjustment as well. Now, to make this system a little bit detailed and cleared, then you'll have your graphic equalizer. You can tune it to your wanting on how you want your sounds to come up. And of course, your listening position, time alignment. You can use both fronts, left, right, all, or you can individually adjust to suit your time alignment on the locations of the speakers to your listening position. So this is just a small factor of this Kenwood Dmx8020s that I like. Well, at the end of the day, this is just a basic entry-level system. Nothing crazy. Definitely it won't win or make it to any competitions as well, but happy with it. That's the best part of it. Speakers for the front, I'm using Focal 165 VB. That's where the tweets is. Just a temporary location. Eventually I'm gonna plan to fabricate here for it to have a stealthy look. Down the door will house the 165 mids, also Focal. By the way, 165 VB is a Polyglass version or series of Focal. Mounted my amp underneath my driver's seat. I'm using is an RE-XT800.4 version 3. It powers the front and the subwoofers. Yeah, for the Toyota Yaris, just a small car, so all I use is the up front and the boot, where you can see my Rockford Fosgate P3 shallow mount, internally wired to 4 ohms. Already impressed with these small babies here. They can provide enough punch for my daily SQ drives. Well, I think that's about it. That's the updates on my Toyota Yaris. See you next time, folks. Please like and subscribe my channel. Peace out. Bye.